Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well in your life. Myself Vikrant and I welcome you all to DevTown. So in the previous video we have seen like what are the different types of CSS fonts that are available so that we can make our text look good. And in today's video we are gonna see what are these CSS colors. So with the help of examples we are gonna see a few of the colors that are available and what are the various types of format in which we can like write the colors. So let us directly jump onto the VS Code. Yes. So right now I am on my VS Code and I have opened my index.html file. So I am just generating the boilerplate code here and I will give the title of CSS colors to my HTML file. Yes, I am saving it, and yes, as usual I am opening it on with my live server. Okay. So here I am on my VS Code as well as on my browser. Okay, so in body section I am gonna create two tags. So let's say I am generating one h2 tag and below that I am creating another h2 tag. Okay, so I will write some text here. Let's say I am a DevTown student. Okay, and in second tag I will write I am DevTown. Okay, let's say I think this is sufficient. Okay, I am saving it. You can see the text is coming over here. Okay, yeah. So what are these CSS colors? So CSS colors are basically used to color our website. So we can also give background color as well as the color to the text which is present inside the tags. Okay, so let's say if I want to color this I am DevTown student. So what I will do, I will just pass on some ID name here. Let's say first tag, and inside the head section I will pass on style, and in style I will just capture this first tag, and inside this first tag we will see whatever property we want to use. So let's say I want to give the color, so I will just select this color property and I will pass on the color. Let's say I want green color, so I am just selecting the green color, and you can see the text, the first text, that is I am DevTown student, is getting the green color as I have selected this only. Okay, so if you try to hover on this green color icon, you might be able to see there are various types of shade available. So depending on our color section we can choose any of the format here. Okay, so we can choose its like whether we want it to be light color or dark color, and on which color we want, let's say green, yellow, violet, and all that. So you might be able to see there is something called RGBA on the top of this box, which is model. Okay, so you might be able to see the values are changing of RGBA. So what is this RGBA basically? So there are three primary colors that are available in our color system, that are red, green, and blue. So like whatever the colors which are like which you are able to find in our nature, so that are possible combinations of this RGB. Okay, so we can also give our color in the format of this RGB. Let's say I'm selecting, let's say here, violet color. Okay, so you might be able to see that in my VS Code file I am getting the RGBA format. Okay, so there are various types of RGBA like combinations possible for every different color. Okay, so how to select that? Just you need to hover it and you need to select the color whatever you want. Okay, so this is simple RGBA. Along with that we also have our hex like hex colors. So how to select this hex color? So you just need to type it hex, and let's say I am giving the basic color FFF 6 times, and yeah, so I am getting the white color, but you might not be able to see the text here because it is coming in white color. Okay, no issues. So let's say I am hovering over again this, so you might be able to see this hex code is changing whenever I am moving forward, hovering over this tab. Okay, so let's say I am selecting this dark red color type, and yes, if I am saving this, you might be able to see dark brown color is getting applied to my text. Okay, so in this way we can select our colors, and we also have another property, that is background color, and this get applied the same way we are applying color, but it will get applied to our background, box background. Let's say I am selecting some unique azure color and I'm saving this. So you might be able to see that this is getting some azure background. I think this is not properly visible. Let me select some other color which will be visible. Okay, so this is, I think, gray color. Yes. So now you might see I am getting the RGB 83, 86, 86 wala background. Okay. So I will just select the font color over here. Just to, yes, now it is perfect. Okay. So in this way you can, let's say, select whatever color you want. And another one is there, let's say if you want to select colors from let's say from one particular site. Okay, so I'm just giving you the example of flipkart.com. okay, so let's say you want to capture the color from this text, let's say from navbar only, the blue color. So you don't know like which is this blue color and what is the hex code and what is the RGB combination for this color. So for that we have one extension that you can use, many developers are using it. So let's say I have installed it. So that extension is called color pick eyedropper. So you just need to click on color pick eyedropper and you just need to hover over the color. Okay, so as you can see the arrow icon is coming. Okay, so let's say I want this blue color, I will just click over here. So I am able to see the hex code as well as the RGB format for the particular color. Okay, let's say I am selecting it, copying it, and yeah, okay, sorry. So let's say I am array, let's say I am just going here and removing this background color. Okay, and copy pasting the color which I copied. Okay, so I need to pass on hash here just to get that color. I'm saving it, and yes, you might be able to see this proper blue color is coming here. Okay, so yeah, so this is all about the CSS colors that we have, and you also got the idea how to copy colors, how to copy the exact color codes with the help of that extension, that is CSS pick eyedropper. You will easily find out it on our Google Chrome extensions. Okay, so yeah, so this is all for today's session. I think you got the idea about CSS colors. In the upcoming videos we will see how to apply these colors and what are animations also. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you in next topic. Bye bye.